Your girl Fabiola in the kitchen. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make Jamaican jerk chicken. Guys, that's the chicken I'm going to cook. And you're gonna need the jerk chicken. You're gonna need some vegetable oil. We're gonna need some vinegar. You're gonna need some lemon. You're gonna need some garlic powder, some lemon pepper, black pepper, salt, and you're gonna need the jerk spice. That's the jerk season we're gonna use to make it. Guys, first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna put some vinegar because I'm cleaning the chicken first. And I'm gonna need some lemon. I'm gonna cut the lemon. I'm gonna get the lemon juice to put in the chicken when I'm done cleaning it, and I'm gonna use some of it to clean the chicken. Alright guys, I'm cleaning the chicken now with the lemon. Alright guys, I'm gonna let it in the vinegar and the lemon and the salt for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm gonna go wash it. Alright guys, I'm done washing the chicken. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna put some garlic pepper. Remember the lemon juice, the water I took out of the lemon earlier. I'm gonna put some lemon juice. Okay, I'm gonna put some lemon pepper. I'm gonna put some black pepper, and I'm gonna put the jerk spice. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna put some of the Chef Creole seasoning on the chicken. You don't have to put that much. And guys, I'm done putting the jerk season. I put some garlic pepper, some black pepper, some lemon pepper. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let it marinate in the fridge for 30 to 1 hour. But if you guys want, you guys can let it stay longer in the fridge. The longer it stays, I think it's gonna taste better. But it's on you guys how long you guys wanna leave it in the fridge. Guys, while the chicken is marinated in the fridge, I'm gonna preheat my oven on 275 for 30 minutes. Alright guys, after 1 hour in the fridge, that's the way the chicken look like. And I'm gonna get all the juice, I'm gonna put all over the chicken. I'm gonna put some oil so that the chicken don't get dry. And I'm gonna put it under the oven, and I'm gonna let it cook on 275 for 30 minutes. Alright guys, after baking for 30 minutes on 275, this is the way it look like. Now I'm gonna put the oven on 350, and I'm gonna cook it for 30 more minutes. Alright guys, after 30 minutes, I let it bake on 350. Now I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna let it bake for another 30 minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna let it bake. That's the way it look like. I'm gonna let it bake now for 30 more minutes on 350. Alright guys, after I bake it for 30 minutes on 350 to this side, I'm gonna still leave it in the same side before I flip it over, and I'm gonna let it cook for like 10 to 15 minutes on 450. Alright guys, I've been baking it to this side on 450 for 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna flip it over to bake it for 15 more minutes. I'm gonna let it bake for another 15 minutes on 450. I'm gonna get all the gravy. I'm gonna put it all over the chicken. Alright guys, I'm done cooking the chicken, and this is the way it look like. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you so much again. God bless you all. Thank you.